Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. This time, as you can see, I have two Citizens in front of me, so I have a double unboxing. And I thought I would take the chance to get the same model, two different colors, to compare them together at the same time. And I'm a big fan of Citizen. If you're watching my videos, you would know I do a lot of unboxing for Citizens because they really offer great value for money. So the first watch that we have unboxing for today is let me take them both out of the box, put them on the side, and as we can see here, both packed almost the same way, so because they're the same watch. So let's do this. Yeah. So as you can see, we have the AW1760, 81Z and 81E. So the Z is basically the I think it's the yellow one, and the E is the black one. That's the only difference between these two. So let me take them out of the box and show you both of them side to side. And as you can see, it looks really cool. So the watch is, let me take the yellow because I really like the yellow one, and take the dimensions of it. So we have a 43 millimeter case diameter. We have a 51 lug to lug, a thickness of 12 millimeters, and I think a lug width of 22. And as we can see here, we have a bezel, which is this a fixed bezel? Seems like it's a fixed bezel. By the way, I'm wearing the Promaster, my favorite Citizen diver. That's why I got these ones, to compare them to my Promaster, because these are also Eco Drive. So they are quartz solar, but no screw down crown, no, it's a fixed bezel, so no rotating bezel. But I have to say, it looks really nice on this yellow and on the black as well. Take this off. Looks really, really nice, I have to say. The dial is quite nice, and definitely Citizen is known for its loom as well. As you can see, strong loom. We have a Cyclops on the 3 o'clock circular one. Looks also quite nice, and as we can see, pretty nice. 100 meters of water resistance on the supplied bracelet, which is a HoloLink pin and collar system. 153 grams, and good loom. Dates. Yeah, mineral glass. Before I forget, as you can see, raised 2 millimeters of mineral glass with a chamfer, circular chamfer around the edge of the bezel. And I really like also the finish on the case. As you can see, we have polished on the chamfers on the edges, and we have brushed on the sides, brush on the front. And I think these two would look really nice on some NATOs. I think these ones sell for 149 euros on Amazon. Maybe you can shop somewhere else. You will find better prices. That's the price I have it for. I'll be testing it out for the next couple of days, and we'll do a full review video on the watch, and definitely maybe include some strap combinations with this yellow, strap combinations with this black. I think this one on a bond would look really nice, and this one on a red strap would look also quite nice. Yeah, and maybe I'll do even a comparison of one of these watches with this one. And let me put this on my wrist. And as you can see, with the supplied bracelet, I have a 17.2 centimeter wrist. It looks quite good. It looks really nice on my my wrist. I have to say the bracelet hugs it really nice, and it comes from inside the lug, so it gives you a really nice compact look. Even though the size is big, it still wears quite nice. And this is, maybe I'll put the black one on my right arm. Oop. That would be a little bit hard to balance both watches at the same time, but let's try. So here we have both at the same time next to each other. I even put them on the same wrist. Here we have both on the same wrist next to each other. I definitely prefer the yellow one, I have to say, but the black one is also looking quite nice. Also good lume. Maybe the yellow one with a lume dial, that would be awesome. But yeah, great offering from Citizen. And let me know if you have any questions about these two models or any other model. I'll make, like I said, a comparison with the Promaster, because the Promaster now is more expensive than these ones, but I'll show you what you get from a professional diver and just a look diver from Citizen as well. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.